すごい車が来た。マツダのワゴンだよ。見て上にキャリアがあって、全くオリジナル。以前もこの車見たことあるんだよね。You've been here before with this car, right? I know, I've seen this thing. I love it. All original. 19 what? 80. Oh yeah. Look at that straight little 4-cylinder with the side draft carburetor. Is that a Weber?
Yeah, DGV.
Nice, man. This car is so original. Unbelievable. Is it a 4-speed or a 5-speed?
5-speed.
It's a 5-speed manual. Dude, how was this car? Did you buy this car? Or was this passed down to you?
No, I bought it.
You did. And was it why did you buy this car?
I don't know. It looked cool.
I like the answer to that. I think it's very cool, dude. What model is this called?
GLC.
A GLZ. Wow, かっこいい. Thumbs up, man. このクラウン覚えてる方がいます？このクラウンは俺1年ちょっと前にあっちゃんと2人で発見したクラウンなんで、買ったばっかりの時のオーナーさんと彼女が乗ってる時のうわー、このチャージャーだね。ガンガンガンガン Sound good。 こう言ってずいぶんチューニングしているんだよね、この人の車が。すげえ。またすごいホンダたちが来ました。何が来たかな。なんかウィングがエロのついてるホンダのド派手なピンクと黒のホンダが来た。かっこいいよ。マスタング同士だな、こうなると。でも見てください、かっこいいよ。この1、2、すごい。イタ車じゃん。イタ車が来た。いいね。じゃあまたホンダの、俺前から入れるのか、バック駐車だよね。車好きはバック駐車をするんだよね。オーライ。またエサイと、またトヨタだね。What's up? かっこいい。いいな。お店の真ん前に止めてもらおうかなと考えてます。かわいい。めっちゃいいよ。キミさん、Nice looking, huh? Natasha. Good morning, guys. How are you? Good. Welcome to Hoshi. Well, you cold brew?
Cold brew, yeah.
Nice, man. Thanks always for coming. I appreciate you guys so much. Thumbs up. Hey, man. Welcome back. And your beautiful wife. Welcome to Texas. You're going to try some really delicious Japanese street foods today. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thumbs up. What's up, man? How are you guys doing today? Thanks for coming to Hoshi. Appreciate you. You're very welcome. で、この子にこの$10札を持ってきて、ちょっと払いたい。Hey, man, you got my cars? Oh, it looks like you're selling a few, man. This is for you, my friend. Thank you. And let me see. I love it. Dude, we got to give you another shout out, all right? Guy, this is Kaysen's Custom Keychains, and he is coming out to Hoshi. I hope you're going to come back again and do this again, huh?
Yep.
Did you sell some already?
Yeah, I sold a couple.
Nice. I got a guy who's going to come and buy something from you. I'm going to go do some sales for you, okay?
Thank you.
Kim-san, those are some high-powered shoes right there. What do you got going? Look at you, man. Dude. And a Honda Beat with the you should be driving a Ferrari. A Ferrari with those shoes.
My Puma.
You see that guy right there, that cool kid sitting right there?
Yeah.
You got to see what he's done. Go check out what he's got over here. Come here. Kaysen makes these keychains, dude.
Oh, whoa.
Here is his $3 section and his $5 section, but I'm thinking there's got to be something in here for Kim-san for something. Cool. I think, let's see what we got. Something Japanese, right? We got to find you something Japanese. Boy, I kind of like this little wide body. What is that?
Okay.
All right, put this one on reserve for me.
Okay.
You got it.
On reserve.
And wait a minute, I just saw that dog that I know. Kiyoshi! Kiyoshi! Hi, Kiyoshi! Hi! Hello there, Kiyoshi. Hisashiburi da yo, Kiyoshi. Look good. Nice to see you guys. Thanks for coming. Good. また面白い車が来たよ。かっこいい。グリル見て。いいな。Very cool. Looking good, man. Sweet. またさらにホンダが増えてますね。この S2000 は今買えるのかな。エンジンはいい音するのか。キヨシー、ホンダだよ、ホンダ。キヨシー、ホンダだよ。日本から来た車だよ。日本から来た犬だよ。Thanks, man. そしてさっき入ってきたタイプ R。結構ウィングのでかい車1台が来たんで、どこにいたんだろうな。 今ちょうど見えたんだけど、どこにいたのかな。俺ここに何があったっけ。ここにはMR2 か。MR2 あれレスリーの車じゃない？もしかしたら。まだ見てないんだけどいるのかな、彼女は。なかなかの台数。あ、そして友達ホセイさんのインパラ96年式のこの時代のインパラはかっこいいよね。クラウン、そしてうわすんげえ VIP なのかな。すごいハローキティにレース、そしてサイコロにうわ面白いね。超車庫端の BM にいろいろ飾ってるの多いな。かわいい。中にいろいろ雑誌があったり花があったりレースにわあ、みんな一人一人のオリジナルスタイルがいいよね。ウィングのめっちゃでかい、あ、いたいた、すごいかっこいいよね。タイプあるじゃないですか。最高。マズラティもわ、人が多いな。嬉しい。ところで星ジャパニーズカフェ、これ日本の大判焼き、おにぎり、たこ焼き、お好み焼きなどなどの日本のものが。これアキュラといえばこれごついよね。かっこいい。これ新しい電気だよね。皆さんレスリー覚えてる？レスリーが MR2 乗りのレスリーちゃんです。また DIY で何でもやるんで素晴らしい子です。Tell me, and you got the husband's cars here too?
Yep, so his 93 MR2
Oh, there it is.
pairs very nicely with my
Oh, I like his exhaust. Look at that, man. That is mean looking.
It sounds really great. It's kind of loud on the highway. He actually wears earplugs.
Does he really? I wouldn't wear it. That's music to my ears, man. Wow. And there's yours. And you had a problem with this car recently, didn't you?
I did. So I actually got stuck replacing my inner and outer tie rods. So
Oh,
the
no.
car sat for a little over a month.
Did you DIY that job?
I did. I DIY'd it.
You're amazing,
it
dude.
took
You
me
do all this.
$70 on a specialty tool.
Really? Okay. ほら、久しぶりの登場。カスリンが来たよ。カスリン。はい、全然最近会ってないんで嬉しいわ。カスリンが来ちゃって。カスリンのジムニーだよ。わー、嬉しい。じゃあ彼女にもタイヤが太くなったね。オーライオーライオーライをしましょうか。オーライオーライオーライオーライオーライオーライ。カスリン、hey! Thanks for coming, bro. Appreciate you. Have a great day. なんか面白いバイクたちも来たんだよね。これはホンダの変わってるものだよな。これはこの前は確かにいたと思うんだけど、かわいい、細いっていうか、こんなものを乗れるなんかはなんか体重の制限かなんかあるのかな。素晴らしい。これもそう、ホンダの、ほら見て、街道レーサーっぽいんじゃないこれ。すげえ。あとこれもホンダなのかな。色がいいな、めっちゃ可愛い。あ、これもホンダなんだ。色がいい、紫に白。お、くるくるテールじゃないですか。もう招き猫くるくるテールだよ。すんげえ。びっくりだよ。ナンバーも曲がってるし素晴らしい。あとサムズアップの招き猫じゃないんだけど、招き猫か。かわいいバイク。そしてこれは超レアじゃないでしょうか。わあ、いいな、かっこいいな、このバイクたちが。 I love it. You guys are so cool. What Honda is this one? What's that model called?
This is the Honda Scooters.
I love it. It's 1989? It's so perfect for you. You look so great on it. It is perfect. And what's this one called? That's an Attack. I love the Kaido Racer wing on the back, bro. That is so freaking cool. And then that one, what's that called? That's what? I love it, man. So cool. Dude, you guys are awesome. So cool. Thanks so much for coming, guys. You got it. わあ、いいな。いいよね。Woo! Smells good. Nice!